What up? It's the car guy. As I mentioned when I started this channel, I'm a car guy in the sense that I've had a fascination with internal combustion engines and automobiles from a very young age, and I come by it naturally. My dad was a car guy. He used to own a Dodge Charger that he got rid of when he married my mom and became domesticated, quote unquote domesticated. But he never lost his love for cars, and he transferred that on to me. I built my first internal combustion engine, or let me say I built my first reciprocating engine with the Lego kit in like 1985, 84, 85, somewhere in there. And I built a visible V8 when I was in ninth grade. And since then, I love engines. You know, I worked for a diesel engine manufacturer. Actually, I worked for two different diesel engine manufacturers in the course of my engineering career, and I never lost my love. I built a KA24 for my Nissan 240SX, and I saw this Discovery kit, and I thought, why not? Now, I do have one of those Plays imitation Porsche engines. Unfortunately, the filming process when I built that one, I was trying to do that with still photos, stop motion, and it just didn't come out very good, so I never released that video. But I built this Discovery 4-cylinder engine that I grabbed at Walmart the other day, and this one I did with the GoPro filming video and just sped it up, so it's a slightly different look, but it worked out much better than trying to do the time lapse with the 6-cylinder Porsche engine from Plays. And I shouldn't call it a Porsche engine. It is not a Porsche engine. It is a generic air-cooled flat 6, vaguely resembling a Porsche engine. But for copyright purposes, I'm sure it's not a Porsche engine. Anyway, enjoy the build, and check me out when you get a chance. Like, share, and subscribe, all that YouTube-y kind of stuff. And I'll see you when I see you. Out.